British firm reveals ESA radars for Latin America expansion. British radar company Blighter said on April 2nd it will make its debut at FIDAE 2026 in Santiago, Chile, as it moves to expand its presence in the Latin American defense and security market. The company said it will exhibit at the International Air and Space Fair from April 7th to 11th within the UK Pavilion, where it plans to showcase its ground surveillance, coastal security, and aerial threat detection radars alongside its AI-assisted Blighter Nexus software suite. The event is widely regarded as Latin America's leading aerospace and defense exhibition and serves as a key venue for engagement between regional governments and international defense firms. The appearance is part of a broader international growth push by the Cambridge-based company, which said it continues to secure overseas contracts in border surveillance and coastal security. Blighter said demand has been driven by its patented low-power microdoppler radar technology and the availability of an ITAR-free product line, a factor that can simplify exports to countries seeking systems without U.S. export restrictions. We continue to secure new international contracts for border surveillance and coastal security, driven by our patented, low-power microdoppler radars. With our ITAR-free product range, established export approvals, and a reputation for exceptional reliability, we look forward to building strong partnerships at this important event in Santiago, James Long, Chief Executive Officer of Blighter, said in a statement. At FIDAE, the company plans to present a range of electronic scanning array, or ESA, radar systems designed for persistent monitoring of land, coastal, and low-altitude airspace. The systems are intended to support military, homeland security, and critical infrastructure missions, including perimeter defense and counter-drone operations. Blighter said its radars use low-power electronic scanning array antennas combined with AI-driven processing to detect, classify, and track people, vehicles, and near-ground airborne threats at ranges of up to 32 kilometers. The company said the technology is particularly suited for identifying small and covert targets in complex environments, including terrain clutter and dense infrastructure settings. The software layer being presented, Blighter Nexus, is designed to reduce training and operational workload for systems integrators linking smart radars into broader command and control networks. In practical military use, this means radar data can be fused into existing C2 systems to improve situational awareness and shorten response times for operators monitoring borders, coastlines, or protected facilities. The company also highlighted the covert characteristics of its systems. According to the release, the radars use low probability of intercept waveforms intended to make them more difficult to detect by adversary electronic surveillance systems. This feature is particularly relevant for fixed military installations and mobile surveillance platforms operating close to contested areas. Daniele Di Luna, Blighter's international sales manager, said the company's systems are already fielded widely. Our radars are now deployed in more than 40 countries. They are trusted by the UK Ministry of Defense, the South Korean Army along the DMZ, the United States Air Force for drone detection, Five Eyes and NATO customers for mobile surveillance platforms, and major international airports for perimeter protection, he said. Blighter said its commercial off-the-shelf portfolio includes 2D, 3D, and 4D radar systems, supported by software tools for configuration, control, and multi-sensor visualization. These products are intended to support both fixed-site and vehicle-mounted deployments, including mobile counter-unmanned aerial system roles.